Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be Come Cook with me. I'm going to be cooking a tradition soup, which is ogbono. If you're Nigerian, you will know this soup. So I'm just going to show you guys how I prepare my ogbono soup, and I know everybody prepared this soup differently. Guys, I'm just here to show you guys how I prepare mine. I hope you like, comment, share, and yeah, subscribe to my channel. And I'm just going to let you guys finish watching this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the end.